Hello, hello. What is going on? It's me, Jay Renard. Real quick. So, I know a lot of my channel is me making things or doing some form of artwork and whatnot, in the form of the custom tooling. But a moderate amount of the stuff that I do is repairs or replacements. So, this woman had a Louis Vuitton bag where the handles got very, very damaged with time and use. Um, the handles were just not made well, but she asked if I could replace them. And I looked at them and I thought, yeah, I could do that, no problem. Got the machine up and running, so that was good. Here's the other one. The other one was really bad. Basically, as soon as I took it apart, or took it off rather, come on, focus. There you go. It broke on me also. So what I did was I went and got some material that I had that color matched the bag, and here it is. So cowhide, and I lined it the underside with something nicer because this is just vinyl wrapped and this doesn't feel pleasant in the hand. This one, the leather's softer, the liner is nice and soft too. So done on both sides. Yep, there we go. It's just some of the stuff I do on the side, I guess. Peace.